What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you 10 things you didn't know your Mac could do. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing is Command and Space. That takes me to my Spotlight so I can make a search for whatever. Okay, the next one is using a split screen through Hyperdock. So if I do this, take that to the side. If I open something else, say if I was to open, say, Firefox, take that to the side, and there you go. I can focus on two things at once. If I do this, if I close this, swipe, two fingers down, swipe two fingers up, there you go. Okay, the next thing is find the tabs, and you can merge these together. So if I just do this, open this here, if I go on Documents, now if I do Finder, Window, Merge all windows, there you go. If I close this now, and the next one is you can actually trim a video. So if I just open this with, say, QuickTime Player, let this play. What is it? It's just some garbage. To trim this, you need Command and T. Trim, cancel that, or export it as some garbage on the desktop. Okay, save, and there you go. The next one is you can use spacebar to view a video, an image. So if I use spacebar, there you go. We are now watching the trimmed video. I can use spacebar on my photo. So if I press space, there you go, my photo. You see my photo. You don't have to open a photo or video or folder. I mean, you have to open a folder, but you don't have to open a photo up. You can just use spacebar. If I go up, spacebar, I can watch the video. And the next one is you can hide your dock. You can show your dock. So Command Alt and D brings back your dock. You can hide the dock. If I go here, dock, put it on the left, hiding is still there. Command Alt D, hiding is no more. So if I go to put it on the right, dock, magnification on, hide the dock. Let's put it back on the bottom. There you go. If I get rid of hiding, but now I want to revert all this back to normal. Magnification off, hide the dock. The reason why I hide the dock is because I lose pixels if I keep the dock. Okay, the next one is secure empty trash. So if I copy this a couple of times, paste it, west side 2. If I do copy this, paste that again. So if I put this in the trash, put these two things in the trash, move to the trash. Secure empty trash is Command and your trackpad, secure empty trash. Alright, that's gone. The next one is you can compress a file, make a zip file using your right click. So if I do compress two items, they're now into a form of zip. So if I open that zip up, there you go. I can actually take a screenshot of my Mac using Command Shift and 3. Here's a screenshot. I can take a screenshot of a segment if I wanted to, Command Shift 4. So if I do this, here is a screenshot. And the last one is I can go to my Launchpad and put an application within an application and make a folder. That's it really. Alright, that's it for this video. I just showed you 10 things you didn't know you could do on your Mac. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.